Hello students. Today we're going to talk about the body. We're going to look at all of the body and the parts. Now, first we're going to talk about the head. So here comes some beautiful art. All right, now this is the head. That's the head. We're going to talk about the face first. The face. First, we have the mouth. The mouth. This is the mouth. All right? It's the mouth. Now, in the mouth, we have lips. Lips. One lip, two lips. Lip, lips. Okay? Also, in the mouth, we have teeth. All right? Now, one is tooth. One tooth. One tooth. Many is teeth. Teeth. This one is special, okay? Tooth, teeth. And then finally, we have the tongue. The tongue. Tongue. All right? So for the mouth, we have lip, lips, tooth, teeth, and tongue. Okay, now let's add to the face. Let's give the nose. There's the nose. It's a beautiful nose. All right? Nose. All right? Nose. Then we have the forehead. This is the forehead. Forehead. Head, forehead. All right? So we have the nose, the forehead, and then we have the eyes. 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 One eye. Eye, two eyes. Eye, eyes. Now, over the eyes, we have the eyebrow. 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 We have two eyebrows. Okay? One eyebrow, two eyebrows. Now, on this beautiful face, we have the cheeks. Cheeks. Cheek. One cheek, two cheeks. Okay? Cheek and cheeks. Next, we have the chin. The chin. Chin. We have one chin. After this, of course, we need hair. Beautiful hair. Okay, this is the hair. And finally, we have ears. One ear, ear, one ear, and two ears. Ear, ears. Okay, so now we have the face, the hair, ear, eyebrow, cheek, cheek, chin, nose, eye, forehead. Now, let's talk about the whole body. More beautiful art is coming. All right, now, we already saw the head. Let's give it some character. All right, and then we'll give it some features, and I will tell you 3, 4 what these are. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a monster, but that's okay. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, we forgot the hand here. All right, now, this is why I'm not an art teacher. Now, here we go. This is the neck. 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 Right? Here's the neck. Next we have the shoulder. Shoulder. We have 2 shoulders. Shoulders. Okay? 1 shoulder, 2 shoulders. After that, we have the back. This is the back. Now you can't see it, so we'll do it like this. Back. Next, we have the chest. This is the chest. Chest. This is the chest. After that, we have the stomach. 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 And then we have the arm. The arm. All right? Now let's look at what we have so far of the body. We have the neck. The neck. The shoulder. The shoulder, the back, the arm, the chest, and the stomach, All right, now let's add more to this beautiful body. Now, here we have the elbow. This is the elbow. Right here is the elbow. We have 2 elbows. 1 elbow, another elbow. Elbow and elbows. Look, L. All right, and here we have a wrist. Now, wrist. We don't say the W, we only say the R. Wrist. Wrist. All right? So again, we have the elbow. The elbow. And we have the wrist. The wrist. Okay, now let's look some more at this beautiful body. Let's look at the hand. All right? This is the hand. The hand. This is the thumb. This isn't a very good thumb, is it? Let me see. This is the thumb. 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 And this is a finger. 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 Okay? These are all fingers, but this is a special one. Thumb. And fingers. We have 10 fingers. All right, so if we look on the monitor and look at the hand, we have the hand, the thumb, and the finger. Finger. Okay? Now, let's look at the leg. All right? Now, this is the leg. 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 This part This part is the thigh. 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 Okay, this is the thigh. Then we have the knee. Knee. Now, remember, for pronunciation, we don't say the k, we just say knee. Knee. All right? And then here we have the ankle. Ankle. This is the ankle here. All right? So if we look at the leg again, we have the thigh, the knee, knee, and the ankle. The ankle. And then finally we have the foot. This is 1 foot, 2 feet. It's like tooth and teeth. Foot and feet. This is the foot. And on the foot we have toe. Toe. Okay? Plural is toes. We have 10 toes. Now again we have the foot and the toe. The toe. Now, you also need to know right, and left. All right, this is my right, my left. All right? Right, left. Right and left. All right? You got it? Now, we're going to practice with our assistants, and you do it too. I want you to point. Point. All right? Are you ready, assistants? All right. Now, I want you to point to your nose. Point to your nose. All right? Now, point to your forehead. Point to your forehead. Yes, good. Point to your mouth. Point to your mouth. All right? Point to your right cheek. Point to your right cheek. Now, point to your chin. Point to your chin. Good. Now, point to your left elbow. Left elbow. Okay, you're doing it too, right? Now, point to your right shoulder. Right shoulder, yes. Point to your right knee. Your right knee, yes. Next, point to your left ankle. Your left ankle, yes. And point to your left foot. Your left foot, yes. Good. All right, very good. Now, let's look at the monitor, and I'm going to ask our assistants to answer some questions. You also answer the questions. First, Ollie, what's this?
It's an arm.
And what's this?
It's an elbow.
It's an elbow. What's this?
It's a wrist.
Yes, very good. What's this?
It's a hand.
It's a hand. What are these?
They are fingers.
They are fingers. Good. All right, Isabel, you're next. What's this?
It's a leg.
Yes, that's right. What's this?
It's a knee.
Spell it.
K-N-E-E.
Yes, very good. And what's this?
It's an ankle.
Yes, that's right. And what's this?
It's foot.
What are these?
They're toes.
Yes, great. Susan, what's this?
It is a back.
Yes, that's right. What's this?
It is a shoulder.
Yes. What's this?
It is the chest.
Yes. And what's this?
It is the stomach.
Yes, very good. Thank you.